MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, TireRack.com, and RockAuto.com.
Even with the number of SUVs on the road, our long-term 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander can stand out from the crowd. With the dynamic shield grille leading the way, SEL trim adds such niceties as power folding mirrors and roof rails. But you don't have to upgrade to the SEL to get these sweet 20-inch wheels, as they're available even on the base ES. We're 3 months into our extended test, and over the initial 4,000 miles, the 181 horsepower 2.5-liter i4 engine is delivering an impressive 28.7 miles per gallon.
This Outlander has plenty of power for our daily driving needs, but it'll never be confused with a performance SUV. It could, however, be mistaken for a luxury vehicle because the interior really punches above its weight class. The contrasting diamond stitch design gives the seats a premium look, and there are plenty of USB-A and C ports to keep modern families fully charged.
With winter well in our rear view, spring is quickly changing to summer here in the Mid-Atlantic, and that means road trips. So stay tuned as we set course for adventure in the Outlander.